Okay, that's the best I can do. Hey everybody, it's Marella. I know you think I was gonna be like, this is just my English way, hold up, of you. Bye. Hey. Oh. Woman down! Oh, broke my foot!
Hey everybody!
Let me just tell you what she wrote down for me.
Hey everybody! It's me, Marella! Exclamation point. Whatever. And today we are gonna do this look. Enjoy. Hey everybody! Today I'm doing a tutorial inspired by a look I created on my niece, Marella. But before I start with the actual tutorial, I kind of want to talk about our relationship for a little bit. Marella is my niece. Niece sounds so like as if I'm the older one. I'm not. Marella is 3 years older than me, and she is my niece through my father's side, obviously. My father and her father are brothers, and when we were younger, we pretty much grew up together. We lived in the same town, we did lots of activities together. I have many fond memories of her and I playing and just being kids, you know? And because she's older than me, I always saw her more as an older sister. We did have a lot of things in common. I played tennis as a kid. She played basketball. We both enjoyed singing a lot. She's still very passionate about music. We loved video games. She liked Orlando Bloom. I liked Johnny Depp. We had a lot of things in common, but they were always just a little bit different, if that makes sense. And the older we're getting, the more I see similarities between us physically, which is a good thing. Not everything has been roses and unicorns and sunshine. My parents divorced, and so my mom and I moved away. And, you know, a lot of things happened, which I don't need to get into. Like, our paths separated, pretty much. And what didn't help were my mental health issues that developed over the years. But I'm so appreciative of her always reaching out to me, always checking up on me, asking me like, hey, do you want to hang out? She respects my mental health issues, and I cannot tell you how important that is to me, because it's a part of me. Here I go, Miss Waterworks. Yeah, you know, it just feels good. It feels good to have her understand and not reject me, and still in her Marella way send me a message like, hey girl, when are we gonna hang out? Oh, I still love you even if we don't see each other. After talking to each other, and especially, you've seen that intro, it was filmed a while ago. We had such an amazing day. I had so much fun. We laughed. I cried. We talked a lot, and it felt good. It felt like the good old days, but then better. Much better. I just wanted to do this video simply because I wanted to let her know that I appreciate her. This is my way of showing my appreciation, letting the whole world know how I feel about her. She's the most selfless, generous, and kind-hearted person that I'm lucky enough to know and to call family. I appreciate you. And I just know, I have this gut feeling that she's gonna leave a comment and be like, okay girl, I love you, but when are we gonna hang out? Yeah, I just wanted to quickly give this backstory and, you know, be a little bit more open about myself. And so I think it's time that I start this tutorial. Okay, so I did my brows and one eye off of camera. I know I said it's an inspired look, but hear me out. I do not remember what I used for products on Marella. So I'm trying to recreate it, but with a tiny twist and some different products onto myself. So I already primed my lid with the Urban Decay Original Primer Potion. I applied that all over my lid, in my crease, on my brow bone, and underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here of the Makeup Studio Natural Bliss eyeshadow box If you want to try out some Makeup Studio goodies, I'm an ambassador, so use my coupon code. All the info is below in the information box. You don't have to, but just in case. And yes, I do make a small percentage with every purchase. So I'm applying that eyeshadow with a fluffy blending brush by Nancy in my crease, and I'm also blending it a little bit above. And I'm using windshield wiper motions, of course, to blend it out. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow right here. It's also of a Makeup Studio eyeshadow box. This one is called Rainbow Haze. And I'm applying that on the outer part of my crease and lid. And I'm blending it a little bit into a V shape or sideways V shape. And I'm also applying that on the outer part of my lower lash line, or actually underneath my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this shade right here of that same eyeshadow box, and I'm applying that on the inner part of my crease and blending that into that darker purple eyeshadow, but also I'm blending it a little bit above that darker purple eyeshadow on the outer part of my crease. Now I'm switching back to the Natural Bliss palette, and I'm taking this shade right here, and that is going to be my brow bone highlight. Now I'm going to use this MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC20, and I'm going to cut the crease, or do a half cut crease. Switching back to that Natural Bliss palette, I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm going to apply that all over that newly created lid. And now I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that on the outer part of my crease and a little bit onto my lid, just to give my eye some more definition. And I'm also applying a little bit underneath my lower lash line. And then with this NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner pen, I'm going to create a small winged eyeliner, and I'm also connecting that wing eyeliner underneath my lower lash line a little bit. Okay, so I cleaned up the shape of the eye makeup just with a makeup wipe, and I applied my false lashes. In case you're wondering, I'm wearing 25mm lashes by Diva's Empire. So I primed my face with the NYX Cosmetics Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. I applied that over here and on my forehead and a little bit on my chin. And then for my foundation, I have been loving this one lately. I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil in the shade Nutmeg Sienna. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face with the Real Techniques body sponge actually. I know it's for the body, but with a face like mine, it can actually fit on there. And to give myself some extra coverage, I'm going to use this Makeup Studio No Transfer Liquid Foundation in the shade Olive Tan. And to highlight myself, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. So I'm going to use the foundation mostly around the perimeter of my face. And I'm also going to use it to create a seamless blend between the foundation and the concealer. And the concealer I'm going to apply underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. And now I'm setting my face using a mixture of the Makeup Studio Banana Powder and the #1 Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm gonna let this set for about 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna wipe off the excess powder. So now I'm gonna move on to contouring my face. I'm going to use this NYX Cosmetics 3 Steps to Sculpt Sculpting Trio. Obviously, I'm using this shade right here, and this trio is in medium. And then with this NYX Dense fan brush, I'm going to contour my face just to warm it up, but also bring back definition. And I'm applying my contour a little higher than usual. It's just what I've been doing lately. Of course, always contour suited to your face shape and to your liking. Don't just mimic me. And yes, I will forever say this. For my blush, I'm going to use this MAC Mineralized Blush in the shade Lovejoy and this angled contour brush by Nancy, but I'm going to use it to apply my blush with. And I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. And then to give myself a shimmery highlight, I'm using this Makeup Studio Lumiere highlighting powder in the shade Mystic Desert. For my lips, I'm going to use 3 products. So I'm going to use this matte liquid lipstick called Mocha and this one called Truffle Rain, of course by Colored Rain. And then I'm also going to use this lipstick by Colored Rain called Meishi Rain. So I'm first going to apply Mocha, then I'm going to mix Truffle Rain, and then on the center I'm going to apply a tiny bit of Meishi Rain. And there we go. This is the finished look. When I did the makeup on her, I did not want to overwhelm her anymore because she was in the chair for quite a while. Simply because we couldn't stop laughing, we couldn't stop talking, and you know, it was getting late, so I didn't want to like do the whole shebang on her. But yeah, I hope you liked it. I wanted to include the original wig that I put on her, but I cut that one up. And besides, it was a mess. It was done with. I had that wig for many years. So yeah, I needed to get rid of that one. But this is the same wig that I was wearing. I just decided to use it as a ponytail today because why not? I hope all of you liked that I opened up a little bit more about something that isn't makeup related. Let me know if you want to hear more stories about me or just my past. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to follow me on my social media pages, then all you have to do is type in Makeup by Namaisa on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. Even though I hardly use Snapchat anymore, I'm so sorry. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and click on that notification bell so you know whenever I'm uploading a new video. Thank you all so much, and until the next one. Bye!